How to change withdrawal account in your OneXpert app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OneXpert app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to change the withdrawal account, you must have linked multiple accounts in your OneXpert app. If so, you can change from one to another account by switching it. So for that, in this home screen at the bottom right, you can see this menu option. Tap on it. Next up, over here in the top left, you can see your account balance. If you tap on it, here you will see the list of accounts that is linked in your OneXpert app. As you can see here, my secondary account is selected right now. So if you go to the withdrawal method, you will be withdrawing from this account. Now, if you want to change the withdrawal account into the main account, you can tap on this main account. It is giving the warning that it will change to the primary account and it will be used for all the transactions from now on. So all the transactions like withdrawal and deposit, you will be doing into another account now. So you can tap on OK. Now if you go to the withdrawal page, the withdrawal account showing in the top will be changed. So that's how you can easily change withdrawal account in OneXpert app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.